こんにちは、What's up? Ninjapanese です。If you are watching this video, you are curious about how to use goro and gurai in Japanese. Like 10時ぐらい、10時goro. What's the difference? Don't worry, it's not difficult at all. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one. And there is a quiz at the end, so make sure to challenge yourself. And if you want to download the PDF material of this video or other my YouTube videos, PDF materials, please join my membership. You can download a lot of files from there, so please check the link in the description. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's get started!
Ninjapa.
Look at this one. So I said, what's the difference? But there is no difference when you talk about time. So the first one, goro. I went to bed around 10 p.m. yesterday. 昨日午後10時頃に寝ました。Okay, and also, I went to bed around 10 p.m. yesterday. 昨日午後10時ぐらいに寝ました。They both means around. So, again, when you talk about time, it's replaceable. You can use both and the meaning is exactly the same. So, what's the difference? Okay, so, ぐらい can also be used for any other amount. Not only time, but also people, things, length, and more things. For example, how many people are coming for tomorrow's party? And you'd say, maybe about 10 people are coming. About 10 people, you can say, 多分10人ぐらい来ます。多分10人ぐらい来ます。You cannot use goro. Okay, so ぐらい is much more useful than goro. It can be used for people, about 10 people, 10人ぐらい. Next, temperature around 10 degrees Celsius, 10度ぐらい. And also time, 10時ぐらい. And distance, length, about 1 kilometer, 1キロぐらい. About 10 meter, 10メートルぐらい. Okay, and weight, around 20 kilograms, 20キロぐらい. And items, around 3 items, 3つぐらい. And more things, like any amount. If you want to say, about, blah, blah, you can use ぐらい. And for goro, it's very little, ちょっとだけ, only for time, goro. It's clear? Okay, and that's it. That's the difference. And one thing you have to be careful is this. I said goro is only for time, but time has two kinds of time. So the first one is like, what time is it now? It's 10, this kind of time. And also, how long does it take? Like for how long? This is also time, but that's different kind of time. And for the time, 1時, 2時, 3時, like 4 p.m., 5 p.m., then you can use goro. But for like how long, you cannot use goro, only ぐらい. So, about 1 hour, 1時間ぐらい, about 30 minutes, 30分ぐらい. Okay, this is the common mistake my students make and my followers make, every students make. So, you will not make the same mistakes again, okay? Now it's time for quiz. Okay, so the first 5 quiz, I will give you 1 minute. So please pause this video and try to answer every quiz. Okay? The answer will be only goro or only gurai or both gurai and goro. Okay? Okay, are you done answering? Let's check the answer. I will say the English translation first, and then I will give you the correct answer. 1. Today I studied Japanese about 30 minutes. 今日は30分ぐらい日本語を勉強しました。今日は30分ぐらい日本語を勉強しました。2. I wake up around 7 a.m. every morning. 毎朝7時ぐらいに also 頃に起きます。Both are correct. はい。Next. Last night I went back home around 9 p.m. 昨日の夜9時ぐらいに9時頃に帰りました。Next. It takes about 1 hour to make a cake. ケーキを作るのに1時間ぐらいかかります。ケーキを作るのに1時間ぐらいかかります。I live in this town about 10 years. この町に10年ぐらい住んでいます。この町に10年ぐらい住んでいます。Perfect? Okay, let's try another 5 quiz. Again, I will give you 1 minute, so please pause this video and come back. 頑張って。終わりましたか? Are you done? Now let's check the answers. Number 6. After work, I took a rest about 2 hours. 仕事の後、2時間ぐらい休みました。仕事の後、2時間ぐらい休みました。Next. Tomorrow, let's meet at Shibuya Station around 12. 明日は12時ぐらいに12時頃に渋谷駅で会いましょう。Next. Like about how much does it cost for traveling? 旅行に行くのにいくらぐらいかかりますか？旅行に行くのにいくらぐらいかかりますか？ Next. The price of the coffee is about 500 yen. コーヒー一杯の値段は500円ぐらいです。コーヒー一杯の値段は500円ぐらいです。Last. I had a summer vacation for about 1 month. 夏休みは1ヶ月ぐらいありました。夏休みは1ヶ月ぐらいありました。Good job! お疲れ様でした。We tried 10 quizzes. Let me know in the comments how many you got right. Okay, it's not that difficult, right? If you couldn't get the 100%, please watch this video again and try the 10 quizzes again. And lastly, I know some of you guys still have a question. What's the difference between gurai and kurai? Have you heard of these two words? So if you have no idea, just ignore this one. But gurai, kurai, they are exactly the same meaning, no difference. So you can use whichever you like. But we studied gurai, we practiced gurai a lot today. So I just recommend you to use gurai first. And if you want to use kurai later, you can just replace. Hi, anyway, they are the same. So, is it clear now? If you like this video, please give me いいね。それからサブスクライブもよろしくお願いします。And if you still have a question, please let me know in the comment down below. If you haven't watched these videos, please also check them out. And Instagram でも日本語を教えています。こちらもフォローよろしくお願いします。Alright, I'll see you very soon. せーの、ニンニン、またねー。